I remain loyal to my elder brother, my boss, and anywhere I offend am, make him forgive me. Now, Edo State Deputy Governor, Right Honourable Comrade Philip SHAIBU, talk this one when he talked to Tori people on top the gbas between him and the boss, Edo State Governor Govunor Obaseki. He con tok say im don resume in new office and say im ready work with the governor for the remaining parts of the administration, and say anywhere he offend the governor, make he forgive am as he na human being and he no big pass mistake. He con still tok say im don miss the governor wella.
We have resumed. There's no problem about it. The governor have asked us to go there. We are going. I am, like I always tell people, I am a loyal servant. There's nothing that has changed. I took a personal vow to support my governor, and you can see my Catholic people are here. Everything about me, if I have a vow with God, there's nothing that will change it. And I can only wish that that relationship that we have, I pray, I know in the next few days and weeks it will come back. I'm missing my governor really, but by the grace of God, I know God will touch the governor's heart and touch all of us. And even those that are trying to be in between, God will touch them to know that I mean well. If there's any mistake that I've made as human, it's just human. It's not out of maybe wickedness, because I'm not wicked. I have a very clean heart. And I will use the medium too to appeal to Mr. Governor. If there's anything that I don't know that I've done, please forgive me, so that we can develop our state together. We have just less than how many months? Just 1 year to go. We have been the envy of the entire country. It's still possible. So, Mr. Governor, please, if there's anything you feel that I've done, I am sorry. I need us to work together to finish well and strong, because that is my prayer for you.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesoli, TMC TV News.